Okay, so I'm just going to explain this once. So hopefully that you will pay attention. Okay, because this can be quite technical, especially on where you have to click and so on. Okay, so and I will also share the file, share the exe file with you so that you can open this on your own computer and you can try this on your own. But before you can try it on your own, I will have to show you how you can do this. Okay, what to do and so on. Okay, are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, so this is just a trial version. So this is not a full applications, but the interface is somewhat like this one. Okay, so in the for the real test, you will have to key in what you have to key in here is my staff ID, and then you click on the instructor login, something like that. So but this is the trial version, so I'm just going to key in the fake instructor login. Okay, the key is one, one, one. So it's 5 times. Okay, 5 times of number one there. Clear? Then you click on instructor login. Are you following so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just click OK here. Correct name and ID, serial number. Click OK. Okay, now you'll see this screen. Click here to begin e-testing. Okay, this is for you. Okay, so you just click here, then you will see this interface. This is now where you have to key in your student ID and also your IC number. Okay, so since that this is a trial version, I'm just okay. So I'll just key in the fake student ID and IC number. So you just copy this down, okay? You copy this down. The instructor login just now 5 times, 11111 5 times, okay? And then this student ID, just you copy it somewhere on your notebook, okay? So that you can try this on your own after this. I will share the file with you. 2015 33312. Okay, and the IC number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Did you get it? Student ID is 2015 33312. IC number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Okay, so once you have done that, click on search for my information. Search my information. Then you should see, if it is the real test, you should see the student ID, your IC number, correct IC number, your program code, the group, the campus, okay, the status, your full name. Okay, so if it is incorrect information, then you can click on reset my information. Okay, and then you can key in your student ID and your IC number again. Is that clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If everything is okay, if the information here is correct, then you can just click submit to proceed. Okay. So once you have clicked submit to proceed, you will see this. Okay. Step one, click this button, choose listening questions. Okay. So it will be randomized questions. Okay. You just click here, choose listening question. Then the questions will appear here.
Listening test. December 2015 till April 2016 semester.
Can you hear the instructions?
LC 150. This
Yes.
listening test contains 3 parts and 20 questions.
Okay.
Each section has a separate audio recording. Listen to each recording and click on the correct options A, B, or C. You have 30 minutes to complete the test.
So as you can see,
Vicky.
the timer is here. You can just refer to this because you only have 30 minutes to answer everything. If you don't submit within the given time, when the time is up, the system will automatically send the results, even when you don't answer all the questions. So please make sure that you try your best to finish everything within 30 minutes of time. Okay? And then, as you can see here, there are three parts, part A, part B, and part C. Okay? So as you click,
Part A.
yeah, you will listen to the
In this
instructions.
part,
If
we
you
listen
want to stop the audio, you can just click here. Okay, you can click here to stop the audio. Okay, if you want to listen to the instruction, click on part A here, the link on part A, then you listen to the instructions. If you want to listen to the audio, okay, for the test, you click on the speaker icon here. Okay, guys, click here. Okay, for part B and part C, you can click on the speaker icon, then you will listen to the audio as well.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, part C.
Hello, Safia.
Okay, so for part B and part C, you can just click on the speaker here to listen to the audio. However, for part A, if you click on the speaker icon, you may not hear anything because the audio is for each of the questions here because it has separate audio. Okay, so you can just click on number 1 here, for example. Please let me know if you cannot follow. If I'm too fast, let me know if you want me to repeat. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So let's click number 1 here.
two siblings from Mary.
Okay, so once you click number 1, then you will listen to the audio for this question only, for question 1 only. And then what you have to do is you listen to questions and you answer, you click your answer here. Okay, so once you have clicked your answer, let's say the answer is B, okay, or the answer says here right answer C, okay, click C, and then you can immediately see the answer that you have chosen here, the selected answers. Okay, now go to number 2.
Do you know that children who are 1 year and older
Okay, that is the audio for question number 2, and then you choose your answer. The answer is B, then you can see again your answer down here. Okay, so if you want to repeat or if you want to listen again, you can just click on the same question, repeat,
two siblings
and listen to the audio again. Okay, so goes the same with number 3.
dressed like a Formula One driver
Okay, choose your answer. It will be here. You can also see the questions on your right here. Okay, as you can see, and then you try to answer all the questions here.
night markets. 3 men had robbed and assaulted a pregnant woman.
Okay, now you're done with part A. You can always go back to part A once you're done part B and part C, but you want to check your answer for part A, you can always do that as long as you still have time to do so. Okay, so let's go to part B. As I said, part B, if you want to listen to the instructions, you can click on the link here, part B. If you don't want to listen to the instructions anymore, you can just click on the speaker icon to listen to the audio. So this audio will be used for all the questions here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions that will be based on the same audio here in part B. Okay, so it is different from part A. For part A, each question you will listen to a new audio, a different audio. Okay, so for part B and part C, there's only one video for all the questions. Is that clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, good. So let me click the speaker icon.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here today. I'm Dr. Yunus Ali.
Okay, so if you want to stop the audio, you can just click here, stop the audio, and maybe you can listen to it again after this. Okay, while listening to the audio, you can click on the questions and read the questions and also answer the questions. Okay, and of course your answer will be reflected here in the selected answers column here. Okay, so go to each questions, answer all the questions there. Okay, and then you can always go back to the first question if you want to, and listen to audio as many times as you want, as long as you still have the time. Okay, goes the same with part C. Click part C to listen to the instruction.
Part C. In this part,
Okay, click stop the audio if you want to stop the instructions. Check the questions. Maybe if you want to read the question first, go ahead, read the question first. Read all the questions, okay, and then listen to the audio. Up to you. This basically you have the full control to answer the listening test questions. Okay, but you only have 30 minutes to complete everything. Okay, guys, is that clear so far? Any questions?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if there's
Sir,
no questions,
sir.
yes.
If we want to change the answer,
Yes,
dia
of
kan
course.
macam
Mhm.
macam saya cakap dia dah state kan macam jawapan betul ke tak.
Oh, here, this is only for trial version. I'm just showing you what it will be, how to click and how to go about doing this. So you won't see this wrong answer, right answer. No, you'll see the answer options. The question will be given here, and then the answer options. You just choose your own answer. Okay, so this is only for trial version. Okay, just to help you understand how are you going to do this. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Any other questions? No. Okay. So let's say you want to check your answers again. Just click on any of the questions here. Okay. Check. Make sure that your answers are all correct. Okay. So once everything is done, you are satisfied with all your answers here. Okay. Make sure that you check. Make sure that you answer all the questions. Okay. Okay, notice here, down here, when you miss one question, for example, I missed question number 7 here. I answered question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I missed question number 7. There will be a blank space here. So you will notice that you have not answered question number 7. So you can go to click question number 7 and answer the questions. Okay. And then you can see your answer down here. So make sure that you answer all the questions. There are 20 questions altogether. So make sure that you answer each and every question. So down here. Okay, now let's say that you have completed everything, you're satisfied with all your answers here. Then what you have to do is you have to click submit the test. Okay, let's say the warning here. Please read the warning. Check to make sure you have answered all 20 questions in this test. Once you click on this button, you confirm that you are done with the test. You cannot go back or retake the test. Okay, clear? Cannot retake the test. Okay, so click submit and click yes. Okay, if you have completed your CBT listening and you want to submit this test, click yes, otherwise click no. Okay, so since that you have checked everything, you click yes, then you go to this page. You are not done yet. Okay, you are not done yet. This is the most important thing that many students miss, to click on this one, to click on this button. Can you see this button? Count MCQ scores, generate total results, and save results. Okay, so you have to click this so that your answers will be sent to your ITM server, and I can get your scores or your results. Okay, if you don't click this, let's say when you want to click this, there's an internet problem, then the answers will not be sent to the server as well. So make sure that when you want to complete this, you have a good connection, and make sure that when you are about to click this one, okay, make sure that you have internet connections. Okay, so please check. So you just click here, then you'll get result. You have counted, generated, and saved your total results. Please alert your lecturer before you leave. I mean, before this, we do this test in a computer lab. So that's now you have to do it on your own. So make sure that you inform me that you have completed the test. Okay. Then you can click OK, and then you have to take a survey. As you can see, there's a button here down here. Take a survey before quit. You click on that. Click yes, and then please answer the survey. Okay, please answer the survey. This is the question, so you can just like strongly agree or disagree or agree. Okay, then once you have answered all the question, okay, then you click submit. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Any questions? No questions, sir?
No, sir.
Saya ada soalan, sir.
Yes. Okay, please.
Kalau macam voice tu 5 minit, sir. Lepas tu, biasanya kalau saya ambil listening test, saya dengar lu voice tu full untuk kali pertama.
Okay.
Lepas tu yang kedua tu, saya dengar boleh ulang tak, sir? Dia macam
Yes, of course. As I said earlier, you can just go back to listen to the audio again and again, as long as you still have the time.
bukan dia ada macam spesifik masa yang boleh kita pilih tak, sir? Contohnya kalau saya
you mean the slider for the audio.
kalau saya cakap saya nak dengar minit yang kedua.
I don't think it is possible using this platform, using this application, because it's not available. The slider for the audio is not available. So that's the thing. If you want to listen to it again, then you have to listen from the start. That's what I understand, because there's no slider given here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I think that's a limitation that this application has. I'm not sure whether they are going to improve it or not, but we have been using this application for many semesters already. Okay, so maybe I can try to raise this issue to the lecturer in charge, and the lecturer in charge can inform the person who developed the system, inshallah. Okay, I can try to raise the issue if they want to, because this has been used for many semesters already. I'm not sure whether they are going to do any adjustment to the system or not. Okay, but I'll try. Okay. Any other questions? No. Okay, so if there's no questions, I'll just click yes here to submit the survey. Send survey response. Make sure that you click this one. Okay, you have sent your e-survey response. Please alert your lecturer. Click OK, and then you are done. You can just click quit here.